What's up, YouTube? It is Dougie. We are here today doing sous vide ribeye. So I've got two ribeyes from Triple M Cattle Company right here in Central Texas. Great guy, known him for a while. Anyways, I just got a sous vide circulator. I'm really freaking excited about it. You need to learn. In a nutshell, what sous vide is, it's immersion cooking. So you take whatever it is you're cooking, put it in a vacuum sealer, and cook it in water. So it is the absolute best way to cook a steak. You cannot screw it up. I can't screw it up, and I'm going to prove it. All right. First things first, it is all about seasoning. Minimalism is the key with any steak. Coarse salt, it's very important. If you use table salt, it immediately disappears into the steak and you can't see how much you're putting on. Coarse ground pepper. Garlic powder. A little rosemary and thyme. All right, perfect. Next up is the vacuum seal step. So, a couple things here. One, if you don't have a vacuum sealer, you don't need one. You can use Ziploc bags, just place them in the water to let all the air escape out and then zip it. I have a chamber sealer. This is the next step up. It's freaking awesome. I'll do a video on it later on, but let me show you a little secret. So, with any vacuum sealing, it's always important to have that clean seal, that clean area where it seals, so it doesn't screw up. This is going to be edited out. Okay, fold it over, that way it stays clean. I put some 2 little dabs of butter on it. Who doesn't freaking love butter? 1 steak in each bag. And into the sealer it goes. All right, now it's time for the immersion bath. Once we get everything put in there, we'll talk about the setup that I have. So, Ribeye calls for 129 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. And that is perfect medium rare. All right, so I have a Nova made by Nova Sous Vide circulator. The cool thing about this is it allows everything to not only be done from the circulator itself, but also from an app. So for the sake of the video, we'll do it from here. You can see right now we're at 128.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Our target temperature is, of course, 129 for 1 hour. And we can set a timer. So we set it for an hour, and we'll go ahead and press go. Okay, so our steaks have been in the immersion bath at 129 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 1 hour. So we are ready for the next step. So at this point, we cut them out of their little sous vide cocoon. And I know, you're like, Dougie, why don't these look all that appetizing? Well, we're not finished. So relax. Okay, so we're now on to our next step. We have to pat them dry. Why do we have to pat them dry? We're going on to the searing process, and wet steaks do not sear, they steam. There's not something that we want. We want that nice textbook brown, beautiful sear. And we're going to do that. So the way I'm going to sear, there's a couple different ways to do it. The way I'm going to do it is in a cast iron pan, because cast iron is amazing. So right now I've got some avocado oil that is heating up to like blazing temperatures. Once it gets up to temperature, we'll move on. All right, avocado oil in the cast iron pan. We are ready to go. We're ready for the searing process. Listen to that sing. Okay, so doesn't that sound beautiful? All right, we've already cooked them. Their internal temperature is medium rare. All we're doing is getting that nice, beautiful sear. So, why not add a little bit of extra flavor? We're going to put a little butter in there. Dougie, that's wasteful. It's like half a stick of butter. It's cool. We're going to use that. We're going to make these things absolutely amazing. Matt May over there at Triple M Cattle Company, he put a lot of hard work into feeding these cattle out and taking care of them over their lifespan. So it's our duty to do these steaks right. Oh, look at that. Now for the moment of truth. Is sous vide everything that they say it is? Look at that. Let's have our first taste. Did I do Matt May justice? Damn. Okay. So, the wife is off camera. She doesn't have her war paint on. She doesn't want to participate. But let's hear this reaction.
That's really good.
Is it everything I promised?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're not just telling me that, are you?
Mm-mm.
All right. So, we're going to eat. We're going to... Oh, my. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? My God. Okay. We're going to enjoy this. Sous vide is absolute magic. These people that came up with this, they knew what they were doing. This is God's gift to man. There will be more videos. I'll see you later. Like, comment, subscribe. Go see my buddy at Triple M, Matt May. He's a good guy. I've known him for a while. Get some meat.